Skincare is a journey, not a destination. Get ready for the best skin of your life. Take your skincare routine to the next level with us. You deserve better than skincare products that don't work. It's not just about your skin, it's about how you feel about yourself. Not all skincare treatments are created equal. You see, some products just don't deliver the results you need. Some will even leave your skin dry, peeling, oily, or just plain irritated. And nobody has time for that. You need something that really works. Something that doesn't leave you feeling more self-conscious than before you tried it. Something that instead makes your skin look as flawless as you've always imagined it. Prerequisite Beauty. We are experts when it comes to choosing the most natural products, less chemicals, and better quality. Quality skincare products at your fingertips. Shop natural beauty products that makes your skin look as flawless as you've always imagined it.